So, you're staring at that confirmation email, the one with the VIN, the estimated delivery date, the whole 9 yards. That electric dream, once so vibrant, now feels different. Maybe your circumstances changed, maybe you found a better deal, maybe the wait is just too excruciating. The question burning in your mind, the one you're probably Googling right now, is, can I actually cancel my Tesla order? It's a valid question, and honestly, a lot of people find themselves in this spot. The allure of a Tesla is undeniable, but life throws curveballs. We're talking about a significant financial commitment here, and you deserve clarity. You're not alone in wondering if you can back out. Let's step back for a moment and understand the context. When you place a Tesla order, you're not just clicking buy on an online shopping cart. You're entering into a contractual agreement. There's a deposit, a series of steps, and a delivery process that's unique to Tesla. It's not like buying a toaster, right? The electric vehicle market is dynamic. Interest rates fluctuate, new models emerge, and sometimes, the promised features shift. The waiting game can be particularly trying, especially with Tesla's often unpredictable delivery timelines. You might have initially been excited about a specific feature, like full self-driving capability, but then realize it's not quite what you expected, or perhaps it's not worth the additional cost. Or maybe you're experiencing buyer's remorse. You got caught up in the hype, the sleek design, the promises of cutting-edge technology. But now, the reality of monthly payments, insurance costs, and the nuances of electric vehicle ownership are sinking in. You're questioning if it's the right fit for your lifestyle. And let's be honest, the industry is competitive. Other manufacturers are catching up, offering compelling alternatives. You might have stumbled upon another EV that better suits your needs, or a hybrid that bridges the gap between gas and electric. So, back to the core question, can you cancel? The short answer is, it depends. It depends on where you are in the order process. It depends on the specific terms and conditions you agreed to. It depends on whether you've taken delivery. It depends on a lot of things. Let's break down the common scenarios. 1. Before the VIN assignment. This is generally the easiest phase for cancellation. If you haven't received a vehicle identification number, VIN, you're usually in a better position to get your deposit back. Tesla's policies can shift, but historically, they've been more lenient at this stage. However, don't assume it's a guaranteed refund. You'll need to carefully review the order agreement you signed. Look for clauses related to cancellations and refunds. Contact Tesla customer support directly, preferably via phone or email, to initiate the cancellation process. Be prepared to explain your reason for canceling. 2. After the VIN assignment, but before delivery. This is where things get trickier. Once a VIN is assigned, Tesla has essentially allocated a vehicle to you. They've started the production and delivery process. Canceling at this stage might result in losing your deposit or even facing additional fees. Again, the key is to refer to your order agreement. Pay close attention to the fine print. Contact Tesla immediately, as soon as you realize you want to cancel. The sooner you act, the better your chances of minimizing any financial losses. 3. After delivery. This is the most challenging scenario. Once you've taken delivery of the vehicle, you've essentially finalized the purchase. Tesla's return policy, if any, will be extremely limited. You might be able to explore options like selling the vehicle privately or trading it in, but you'll likely incur significant depreciation. Factors that impact cancellation. Deposit refundability. Tesla's deposit refund policies can vary. They may be refundable, partially refundable, or non-refundable, depending on the circumstances and the specific terms of your order. Order agreement. This document is your Bible. It outlines the terms and conditions of your purchase, including cancellation policies. Read it carefully before signing. State laws. Consumer protection laws vary by state. Some states may offer additional protections for vehicle purchases, including cancellation rights. Tesla customer support. Their representatives are your primary point of contact. Be polite, professional, and persistent. Document all communication. Tips for navigating cancellation. Act quickly. The sooner you initiate the cancellation process, the better. Document everything. Keep records of all communication with Tesla, including emails, phone calls, and screenshots. Review the order agreement. Understand the terms and conditions before you sign. Be persistent. Don't give up easily. Follow up with Tesla regularly. Consider legal advice. If you're facing significant financial losses or encountering resistance from Tesla, consult with an attorney specializing in consumer law. Explore alternatives. If you're not able to cancel, consider selling the vehicle privately or trading it in. Key takeaways. Cancellation policies vary depending on the stage of the order process. The order agreement is crucial for understanding your rights. Communication with Tesla is essential. Consider all your options before making a decision. This isn't about discouraging anyone from buying a Tesla. It's about empowering you with information so you can make informed decisions. The allure of electric vehicles is real, but it's crucial to approach the purchase with a clear understanding of the process and your rights. Ultimately, the decision to cancel is yours. Weigh the pros and cons, consider your financial situation, and don't be afraid to seek professional advice if needed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.